Hello and welcome again. See students, page number 40. One chart is given. Write the composition of the following materials by means of chemical formulae and classify them accordingly. See the chart, name of the material is given, chemical formulae or composition we have to write there, and type of matter means which type of matter is there. Now here first water. What is the chemical formula of water? H2O. Yes. So chemical formula is H2O. H2O. Now type of matter is a element or compound? Is a compound. Yes. Second carbon. What is a composition or formula? Carbon is C. Yes. It is a compound or element? Element. Yes. Oxygen. What is the formula? O. Correct. It is an element or compound? Element. E. Air. What is the formula of air? Air contains oxygen, nitrogen gas, mixture plus carbon dioxide gas plus other gases. So it is neither element nor compound, it is a mixture. So according to this, the chart we have filled like this here. See, water formula H2O, it is a compound. Carbon formula C, element A. Oxygen O, it's also element. Air is a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases. It is a mixture. Aluminium formula Al, it is an element, single A. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc, homogeneous mixture. So it is a mixture. Carbon dioxide formula CO2, C plus O2 is a mixture, CO2, therefore it is a compound. So here we'll study about the chemical formula and composition of matter and types of matter. Now we move to the next, how the matter are classified in second way. We know matters are three states: solids, liquids and gases. But the second method of classification of matter is the elements, compounds and mixture. See table 6.4 in your textbook, page number 41. Here how elements, compounds and mixtures are classified into matter. Now we'll study the characteristics. Elements. First, nitrogen molecule, N2 molecule. Second compound example, nitrogen dioxide molecule. Then third, mixture of N2 and NO2. Yes. Nitrogen molecule means nitrogen, all elements are nitrogen. So N plus N, N2 molecule. Two similar atoms join to form elements. Compounds. Here compounds, NO2 contains two different elements, nitrogen and oxygen. So two atoms of oxygen and one atom of nitrogen. Yes, to form NO2. So this NO2C, this single unshaded hole, that is the nitrogen, and these two dark shaded hole circles, they are the oxygens. So see, two oxygens are joined with a single nitrogen to form compound. And in case of mixtures, you will see here N2 and NO2. Yes, nitrogen, two unshaded circles, that is the N2 molecule, and NO2 when element and compound are mixed to form this mixture. Second example, you will see elements, oxygen molecule. So oxygen, see second example, yes, oxygen. Compound, NO, that is a nitric oxide. Yes, nitrogen and oxygen. And mixture, that is a mixture of N2 and O2 gas. Here what we'll learn about these elements. Elements means constituent substance of element is only one and it has that element itself. Means here you will see in case of elements, constituent substance means here nitrogen is only one, oxygen only one, no others are there. Compound, constituent substance of a compound is only one and it is that compound itself. Yes, nitrogen and oxygen, they are in a fixed forms, proportion, fixed proportion. Mixtures, constituent substance of a mixture, one or two or more. Yes, two or more elements and or a compounds. Elements, all the atoms of molecules of an element are alike, they are same, oxygen, oxygen, nitrogen, nitrogen. In case of compound, all the molecules of elements are also alike. Yes. Then mixtures, atoms or molecules of mixture of two or more types, they are different types. See next, elements, all the atoms of the molecules of an element are alike and are joined to each other by chemical bonds. Yes. In case of compound, the constituents of atoms, molecules of a compound are two or more types and are joined to each other by chemical bonds. NO2, NO, NO3. Yes. Then in case of mixtures, the constituents molecules of a mixture are different from each other and are not joined by chemical bonds. In case of elements, atoms or molecules of different elements are different. The proportion of constituent element in a compound is constant. Yes, H2O, 1:8 proportion. Means 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen always there in water. The proportion of constituent elements in mixture is not same, it is changing. Then in case of compounds, properties of a compound are different from those of the constituent elements. For example, H2O, properties of hydrogen and oxygen are different, but when they are formed, hydrogen and oxygen join to form H2O. Therefore, the properties of hydrogen and oxygen are different than the properties of water. Then the properties of a constituent substance are retained in the mixture. For example, when you prepare the sarbat, we are adding sugar, salt, juice, lemon juice, water. So their tastes are different, characteristics are different. But when we are adding mixing and when we drink the sarbat, so we'll get all the properties again. We'll get sweetness property, salty property. Yes. So in case of mixtures, the properties are retained again in the elements. So this is the classification of second type, that is called matter: elements, compounds and mixtures. So elements, N2O, O2, nitrogen, oxygen, these are elements. Compounds, elements or molecules, and compounds, two or more elements joined to form compounds, and mixtures are formed by mixing two or more elements or compounds in any proportion, that is called mixtures. So these are the characteristics of element, compounds and mixtures.